If you're looking for an amazing value in Glenview, a spacious colonial you can make your own, look no further. Welcome to 2724 Norwood Terrace in Glenview, Illinois. Inside, the two-story foyer sets the tone. The traditional floor plan offers a sunlit living room, then continues into a large family room with a fireplace. The kitchen has plenty of space and connects easily into the large dining room. Just off the kitchen is the mudroom and a private office or den. Upstairs, there's 4 spacious bedrooms, including a primary suite, has a walk-in closet and a full bath. The finished basement adds a huge rec room and plenty of storage. Nearby schools include Washington Elementary, Gemini Middle School, and Maine East High School. With over 3,000 square feet, bring your vision, bring your ideas, and let's make 2724 Norwood your next home. And be sure to reach out for a private showing.